Hello, I am Juna Dipakatang, an elementary teacher. Welcome to my demonstration of Google Classroom, part of our computer upskills training. What is a Google Classroom? Google Classroom is a free, all-in-one teaching platform. It simplifies posting materials, assignments, communication, and grading. How to access the Google Classroom? To access it, go to classroom.google.com and sign in using your Google account, like your DPID email or Gmail. Creating a new class. Click the plus icon, choose Create Class, then enter your class information and click Create. And exploring the classroom layout. Your dashboard has these main tabs, namely Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades for classroom management. In Stream, you can share class-wide announcements or reminders quickly. In Classwork, click Create, choose Assignment, fill in details, attach resources, set due date, and assign it. Under People, add students by inviting via email or simply giving them the class code. In Grading and Feedback. In Grades, you can review submissions, assign scores, and provide feedback. Everything is neatly tracked. And now, let us explore on how to use the Google Classroom. Let's visit classroom.google.com. In the upper right, just click the plus icon and choose Create Class. Class name example, grade 5. My section is Rosal. Subject, Science. And click Create. So this is the class code. The class code is very important to send to the pupils so they will know where to enter. And a Stream tab, let us post any announcement. Then post. In tab classwork, click create, and you can now post assignment, quiz assignment, questions, materials, or any topic. Let us choose assignment. Title, then upload the assignment. Students can view the file. So let us set when they will pass the assignment. Here is the points. Example, this is 80 points. Then assign. In People tab, let us invite the pupils. By typing their Gmail. Okay, then invite. So invite all the students. We have here invited pupils. In this tab, this is the grading feedback. You can review submissions in this tab, assign scores, and provide feedback. So everything is neatly tracked. In Google Classroom, teaching more efficient, from announcement to grading, with no paper needed. Thank you for watching this demonstration. I hope it helps you feel confident in using Google Classroom in your teaching journey.